In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make fondant rocks. So let's get to it. To make the rocks, you'll need some different coloured fondant. I've used some black, some brown and a darker version, a dark brown and a darker version of that, and some ivory. Next, you'll be taking small pieces of different colour fondants and mixing them together. I've chose 3 different colours, and now I'm going to knead them very slowly. We don't want to mix all the colour together, we just want to do it enough to get some marbleization. When I think I've done it enough, I will roll it into a ball and take a look. If you're happy with the patterns on your rock, you can shape it. If not, you can knead it a little bit more and try again. The good thing about rocks is they're not perfect and they're all different patterns. I'm happy with mine, so I'm going to pop mine to one side and make another one. Try using different combinations of colours. I'm using a medium brown, black and ivory. Again, I'm going to knead it slightly, and then when I'm happy, I'm going to roll it and see what it looks like. It's looking great, so I'm going to shape that again and pop it down to one side. Experiment with different colour combinations. You could use 2, 3 or 4 different colours. Let's see what we come up with. If you like what you see on the channel, please do consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you know when a new video arrives. I usually start off by making all my larger rocks first, and then I make my smaller ones. Try and get lots of different shapes and sizes for variation. And there we go, there's our fondant rocks, ready to go on my cakes. I use mine on this motocross cake. I'm also going to be popping a tutorial on this cake onto my channel. Thank you for watching, and keep living that cake life.